Dear students, today I, Rachna Sagar, subject expert and former principal, shares with you important tips for cracking CBSE's Class 12th Economics paper. Focusing on the general guidelines, prepare thoroughly according to the syllabus, unit-wise and weightage provided as per the CBSE. As far as possible, students revise one complete section of the paper. That is, either section A, Introductory Macroeconomics, having 5 units, Unit 1 carrying 10 marks, Unit 2 with 6 marks, Unit 3 with 12 marks, and Unit 4 and 5 having 6 marks each. Or Section B, Indian Economic Development, Unit 6 having 12 marks, Unit 7 22 marks, Unit 8 6 marks. Preferably proceed from Unit 1 to Unit 8 as it is a systematic approach. Kindly note, there is no such hard-fast rule but a systematic presentation of answers. Solve as many practice papers as possible for better performance and good time management. Try to complete your paper 10 minutes before time and use this time for revision. Now, when attempting the CBSE question paper, read the question asked carefully and then attempt it. As far as possible, proceed in sequence from question 1 to question 34. Attempt any one section, either A or B, that is macroeconomics or Indian economic development in toto, that is question 1 to 17 or question 18 to question 34. Note, this is suggested for just a smooth evaluation in the CBSE examination, and students, there is no hard fast rule as such. Please number the questions being answered correctly as per the CBSE's question paper. Kindly answer as per the weightage of the question asked and also strictly according to the word limit prescribed. Very short answer questions carry 1 mark each and they should be normally answered in 1 sentence each. Multiple choice questions, they are to be answered as per the instruction given. Short answer questions, essay 1 carry 3 marks each and they should be answered in about 60 words each. Short answer question, essay 2 carry 4 marks each and they should be answered in about 70 words each. Long answer questions carry 6 marks each and they should be normally answered in 100 words each. Word limit, children, is not applicable to the numerical questions. In solving the numerical, giving the formula is a big must as it carries a weightage of 1 mark to 2 marks. As far as possible, proceed stepwise without any scribbling. Try to solve the numerical on the same page, that is in continuity, and highlight or encircle or underline the answer. Entries to the numerical should be preferably written vertically than horizontally to avoid any careless mistake. Kindly draw a rough work column on the extreme right side of the given page when attempting the numerical. Diagrams asked in the respective questions, they should be neat with all relevant details and properly labeled. After attempting a question, it should be tick marked in the question paper. Kindly do not waste time on a question you are not able to attempt. Proceed to the next one and come back to it last of all. In case of an answer being continued on the next sheet, please give pointers like continued on the extreme right hand side or use PTO wherever required. Over to special guidelines for the new section B, Indian Economic Development. The student is required to revise the syllabus thoroughly, unit-wise and weightage-wise. Section B, Indian Economic Development, carries 3 units. Unit 6 with 12 marks focuses on development experience 1947-90 and economic reforms since 1991. It includes Chapter 1, Chapter 2 and 3 of NCERT textbook. Unit 7 carries 22 marks and it focuses on the current challenges facing Indian economy It includes chapter 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th of the NCERT book. Last unit 8 carries 6 marks and deals with development experience of India, a comparison with the neighbors, and it includes chapter 10 of the NCERT book. The student is required to study the respective chapter of NCERT textbook. Chapter 1 to chapter 10 thoroughly and make a small synopsis chapter-wise for easy learning. Information given in the box and footnote, if any, should be studied thoroughly and notes duly prepared. Important information and important dates to be minutely studied and learned for attempting 1-mark questions which are based on dates and events. Kindly make a glossary of terms and dates chapter-wise to facilitate their learning. Conclusion and recapitulation of the chapter is given in the NCERT textbook. These are handy for the students to remember the respective details of the chapter. Have a close look at the charts provided in the text and kindly analyze the trends emerging on their basis. Also prepare comments on them. In text questions, they are in common practice these days. So kindly make a thorough study of the chapter as a must. Opinionated questions like the opening of the Indian economy has led to a rapid increase in FDI or foreign exchange reserves of the country. Defend or refute the given statement. Such questions are also a part of the sample question paper. Such questions call for a thorough preparation and clear understanding. Revise your answers in the last 10 minutes to check for any anomaly. Familiarize yourself, students, with the CBSE marking scheme of the previous year. Only section B dealing with macroeconomics as a guideline. This is just suggestive in nature. Thanks and wishing you all a happy preparation and tons of good luck.